everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Well, I think you might have guessed by the intro that today we're going to be making an Eaton Mess. A very tasty, a very summery and a very sweet dessert. And for this we need these ingredients. Some fresh ripe strawberries and some shop bought meringues. Some double cream or whipping cream. Some what I call squirty cream. Some icing sugar, and we mustn't forget some nice dark chocolate. First we go into a bowl with the whipping cream. And get it up to a nice thick consistency, a bit like this. Better give it a little test, I think. Then we need to carefully break the meringues and crumble them into the cream. Then we can cut the strawberries up into smaller pieces because they're quite big ones really. There we go, not too small, just about right. Pop them in. Mix these in nice and thoroughly. There we go, look at that, that looks tasty. Then we can plate up. First of all we'll get a couple of dollops of this mixture onto our dish and go around the edge with some squirty cream. I think that just makes it look a little bit better and taste better too. Bit of chocolate over the top of that. Then on with some strawberries. Ooh, love strawberries. Then a bit of icing sugar over the top of that, followed by some more chocolate. Oh no! Then take this bowl away and clear up a bit. And time for a taste test. That's really tasty, really at the spot. Very sweet, but I knew that. I like sweet things anyway. And you can taste the crunchiness of the meringue and the crispness of the strawberries. I think that's the best way to describe it. All in all, it's simple, easy to make and very tasty. Please make one for yourself. Dead easy. And thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye.